Alright, now we're going to go over some of the basic tools that Smart Notebook has to offer. One of the first things, very basic, if you would like to make your presentation more like a PowerPoint with different slides, you're able to add pages here with the small green button. Or if you decide you want to take them away, delete pages right next to it. We'll start with some of the pins because those are just, I don't know, they're just fun and they have lots of possibilities. So to get to the different pen options, we're going to come over here. We have the little picture of the crayon and the marker, and we're going to click there. And that's going to bring up a toolbar to the right. And so to choose your pen type, we're going to click on this arrow in the first box where it says pen type. And you can see what you have. You have your regular pen, your crayon, a highlighter. Creative pens are fun because you can choose different colors and stars and smiley faces. It just makes writing a little more exciting. Let's see, and then you also have your magic pen, which is one of my favorites. Once you write something, if you wait a few minutes, it will eventually disappear. And then the last pen that is exceptionally helpful when you have younger kids, but even I find it helpful for myself. If I want to draw a square, but it's not exactly perfect, the shape recognition pen will usually recognize what I'm trying to draw and fix it for me. Alright, now that we've drawn these things, I'm going to go back up so I have my arrow. So I just click the arrow to get off of the pens. And now I'm going to show you some of the options that you have once you put things on your blank piece of paper. If I want to change this A around, I can click on it, and you notice that I have a little down arrow in the corner. So when I click on that, it gives me options to clone it, which is just a copy. I can also cut. I can also delete it. There's also the ability to do the infinite cloner. So if I maybe have an activity for my kids and I want to say there are 4 apples and then you get 2 more apples, how many apples do you have? You have this 1 apple and they're able to pull it. There are my 2 apples. And my 4 apples, even though they're A's, and then they're able to count those and figure it out. And then you're also able, if I go back to my original one, to change the order. So if you want to put one thing in the back or bring it to the front, you're able to do that. So it'll switch things around. You can group things. If you choose grouping, it will let you, mine are already grouped, so I'm going to ungroup them. And now I have 2 separate A's that aren't connected to each other. Let's see, I'm going to add a new page, so we've got a nice blank slate, and we're going to look at some of the measurement tools. So one thing that they have available is the ruler. You can use that to make a straight line, to measure something that you've got up on your board. If you're ready for that to go away, once you click the ruler, that small arrow appears for you again, and you can delete it. There's also a protractor, and once you click on the protractor, you can use this green button to make your angle. It tells you exactly what your angle is. You can use markers to trace over that if you want to draw it and leave it up there, and then you can click the down arrow and delete your protractor. And the last tool that I'm going to show you is the compass. So you can pull the arm out and then use the pen to go around and draw your circle, which is kind of fun. Alright, and I will delete that and let you have some time to try these things out for yourself.